kids, let's read. My birthday party. It's your turn to read now. Today is my birthday. Let's see if you can read. There is a party at home. It's your turn to read now. I wear a green dress. Your turn. Mom brings a big cake. Let's see if you can read. Dad lights the candles. It's your turn now. My friends sing a song. Let's see if you can read. I cut the yummy cake. Your turn now. My friends give me gifts. Let's see if you can read. We play fun games. It's your turn. We sing and dance. It's your turn to read. We eat pizza and pie. Let's see if you can read. I feel so happy. Your turn to read now. Good job, kids. For more such reading practices, like, share, and subscribe the channel. Follow Little Learning Loop for more videos.